Bright QT. Every student matters.
Hello students, my name is Sanjay Jain. In this lecture we will study about some inequality in a triangle, some inequality relations. For example, we have studied about an isosceles triangle, right? So angles opposite to equal sides are equal, but in this lecture we will study that angle opposite to larger side is larger, okay, and vice versa. So let us start with this theorem here. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then angle opposite to the longer side is larger or greater. So let us consider this triangle here, A, B, C, and let us say AC is greater than AB. Okay, so we need to prove that angle opposite to AC, that is angle B, is greater than angle opposite to side AB, that is angle C. This is what we need to prove, right? So I will start with the previous knowledge that we have, that if a triangle has got two equal sides, the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal to each other. So AB is smaller than AC. So I will take a point on AC in such a manner that it becomes equal to AB. So AM is equal to AB here. I have taken point M in such a way, that AM is equal to AB. Now triangle ABM is an isosceles triangle, right? So the angles opposite to equal sides will be equal, hence this angle here will be equal to this angle, right? Let me name these angles. If this is theta, this will also be theta. Okay, so now I will refer to these angles as theta. Okay, let me name these angles also. Let us say this is alpha and this angle here is angle beta. Okay, now in triangle BMC, this angle theta is exterior angle of this triangle BCM, right? So this angle theta, the exterior angle theta, is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. That is, theta will be equal to alpha plus beta, right? Now see. Now what can you say about this angle alpha? So from this I can say that angle alpha is equal to theta minus something, that is beta, right? And what is alpha? It is angle C. So angle C is theta minus beta. And tell me about angle B. What is angle B? Angle B is theta plus beta. Angle B is equal to theta plus beta. Now tell me, out of these two, theta plus beta and theta minus beta, which one is greater? Obviously this one. So angle B is greater than angle C, and this is what we have to prove, that angle B is opposite to the greater side, hence it is greater. So it is proved. Alright, so this is how you can see that the angle opposite to the longer side is larger, right? And in any triangle, the side opposite to the larger angle is longer. Now that we already know, we know about this theorem now, that the angle opposite to greater side is greater. Okay, so now we know two things basically, that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal and angle opposite to greater side is larger. So based on these two facts we will prove this one. in any triangle, the side opposite to larger angle is larger. So, let us take a triangle here A, B, C, and let us say it is given that angle B is greater than angle C, and we need to prove that side opposite greater angle, that is AC, should be greater than AB, which is side opposite this angle, right. So, there can be, let us start the proof. Okay. There can be only three cases. Either AC will be equal to AB, AC can be greater than AB, or AC can be lesser than AB. Let us consider these two cases first, and we will prove by contradiction that AC is greater than AB, that this case is true. So, let us consider first case, AC equals AB. Now, if it is true, then angle B will be equal to angle C, right, but angle B is greater than angle C, but angle B is greater than angle C, it is given, right. So, by contradiction, we can state that AC is not equal to AB. Now, if it is not equal to AB, it can either be greater than AB or lesser than AB. So, let us check for if it can be lesser than AB. If AC is less than AB. Now, from the previous theorem that we just proved, we know that if a side is lesser than some other side, or the angle opposite to the greater side will be greater. So, as per this, angle C is greater than angle B, which is not true, but we know that angle B is greater than angle C. Hence, this second case, case 2 is not true, right. So, what I have done here is considering this case 2, AB is greater than AC. So, if AB is greater than AC, angle opposite to AB, that is angle C, should be greater than angle opposite to AC, that is angle B. Angle opposite to AB, that is angle C, should be greater than angle opposite to AC, that is angle B. But we know that angle B is greater than angle C, hence this case is also not valid. So, the only possibility is that AC is greater than AB, right. So, this will imply that angle B is greater than angle C, which is true. Hence, I can say that there is only one possibility, that the side opposite to larger angle is longer. Okay. So, this is how you will look at this theorem. Let us see what is next. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This can also be proved, or this can also be seen by using the previous theorem, that the side opposite to greater angle is greater. Okay. Let us consider this triangle here, ABC. Okay. Now, I want you to do this construction, that equal to AC, you extend this side BA. So, you take this point, let us say this point is M, and AM is equal to AC, right, and then you join M with C. Now, we have got another triangle BMC, right. So, the construction that I have done is draw, or we can say extend BA to M such that AM is equal to AC, right. We can easily do that. We can extend this side up to M so that AM is equal to AC. Now, if you notice this triangle AMC is an isosceles triangle. So, the angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Hence, if it is theta, this will also be theta. Okay. Now, you notice that if you consider this triangle in triangle BMC, in triangle BMC, if you consider this angle, let us say this is angle alpha. Okay. Now in triangle BMC, we can say that theta plus alpha is obviously greater than theta, right? So side opposite to this angle, which angle? This angle C, which is theta plus alpha, side opposite to this angle, which is side BM, is greater than side opposite to this angle theta, which is side BC. So BM is greater than BC, and you would appreciate that BM is sum of BA and AM. So BA plus AM is greater than BC. And what is AM? AM is equal to AC. So BA plus AC is greater than BC. So sum of two sides is greater than third side. Sum of two sides AB plus AC is greater than the third side BC. Now as I extended BA, I could have extended CA, I could have extended BC, and in this similar manner I could have proved that sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than its third side, right? And you can, through your common sense, you can see that, let us say this is a line segment and this is another point. So it is now two line segments, right? If this point is on the line AB, let us say this point C, if it is on this line, then AC plus CB will be equal to AB, right? Now if I take this point so that it is not on this line, only in that case a triangle will be made. Let us say this is C dash. Now you can say that AC dash plus C dash B will be greater than AB. So when sum of two sides is greater than the third side, only in that case a triangle can be made. Otherwise a triangle will not be possible. So you can prove it in this way.